Hi everybody. Just wanted to show parents out there something I just realized with our dishwasher. Now, when you put sippy cups in the dishwasher, these little parts up top here, they some of them come out, some of them don't. This one comes out. Now, what happens is when you wash these in your dishwasher, you open the dishwasher, they're dry. They seem dry. Now, the problem with them is that the dishwasher will not dry the inside of this. And there is diaphragms in there, and yeah, it doesn't do the job for drying the inside of those, so it's got to be done manually. Now, I didn't realize this until about an hour ago. I went to pull out one of the sippy cups, and I noticed a dark spot right there on the clear plastic. I don't know if you could see that. And I thought, what the hell is going on there? So anyway, what it was that because the dishwasher doesn't dry the insides of these, you put it in your cupboard, this is dry. This inside here, the diaphragm, is not dry. So I'm going to open it up for you, and I'm going to have to do this with one hand here. I'm going to open this up and show you what happens when you wash it in the dishwasher and then you put it straight into the cupboard for... This one's been in the cupboard for a week because my daughter has a lot of sippy cups. But this is the only one with a diaphragm like this. Now, if I were to give this to her... That is all black mold. Very dangerous. And this is just from sitting in the cupboard, which is really disgusting. And if your child happened to be allergic to penicillin, I'm sure this is not very good. Now it washes off really easily. I think I'll be throwing it out just because I'm allergic to penicillin, and I don't know if my child is yet. She's only 2.5. So, yeah, you really need to be careful of this. And if you have sippy cups like this, I guess wash these separately from the dishwasher and then dry them really good, or leave them on your drying rack to dry by themselves, because that's a lot of mold. So anyway, just wanted to show parents out there about beware sippy cups and dishwashers and little parts like this, because it is not safe. Thank you for watching, and check out some of my other videos. I might have them up soon.